By the end of this video, you'll have CloudPanel installed on DigitalOcean, your domain connected, and WordPress live, all from scratch. I'll show you how to install CloudPanel on a DigitalOcean VPS, add your domain, configure DNS, install WordPress, enable SSL, and launch a fully functional website step by step. Whether you're a beginner or a developer, this guide will help you build a professional hosting environment with no complicated setup. Let's get started.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
So you already know the differences about CloudPanel and CyberPanel. So please choose one of the best, which is best for your uses. And I will suggest you to watch my old video how to get DigitalOcean $200 credit for 1 year in a completely free. Here you can see 5 months ago I created a video, and 2 years ago also I created one video, and that is for 1 year. So I will give this video link in this video description and I button also. So please watch that video. You will get DigitalOcean $200 credit for 1 year. So now let's start. Simply log in your DigitalOcean account. Here you can see I had already logged in my account. Now click on here project. By default it's first project only, maybe show in your account. So let's create new project for this video. Type here your any name required which is easy to remember for you, and add environment type. Select anything, development, staging, or production. Tell us why. Simply type anything and add a description. It's optional, so we will not add anything. Click on this create project. Now skip now. Here you can see we had successfully create our project in a DigitalOcean. Now click on this create and choose compute under droplet. Click on this droplet icon, and here you can see create droplet option. Now we are in. So choose our data center, which region you want to store your data. Here you can see a lot of location are available, but maybe for few images the location is not available. So here you can see San Francisco and choose Ubuntu. I will suggest you to use almost second last version to use in a stable version. So let's choose 22.04 version Ubuntu. Now here you can see a lot of version, basic general purpose, CPU optimized, and dedicated. So I will select this basic because I will immediately terminate this droplet after create this video. So let's choose this $8 month plan or $16. Let's choose this $16 per month. And the another main thing is here you can see a password. Now we need to type here password. Simply use a strong password. Here you can see a password requirement also. Now scroll down, and here you can see give your droplet name. I will choose for video, and you need to must select this which project you want to add this droplet. Again we need to select this for video CloudPanel. And the one most important thing, if you want to create multiple instance, you can control by here you can see quantity by 1 2 3 how many instances you want to create in a single time. And another one important thing, if you want to storage extra, then you need to pay extra amount. And here you can see enable backup. For this also you need to pay extra. Here you can see 3.20 cent month. So we don't need any backup, so just ignore this if you don't want to backup from here. And here you can see volume block storage. If you want to add extra storage, then you need to pay extra amount. So I will leave this by default, and then click on this create droplet. It takes few time, Here you can see creating. Now wait a moment, and now here you can see a notification droplet has been created, and you can connect with your droplet by different method, by SSH or by direct web console. You can connect with your droplet by putty method, so that will be a not a easy method. So the simple way is simply click on your droplet, and here you can see web console button. Click on this web console, and here you can see our we successfully connected with our droplet. Now we need to install CloudPanel on this droplet. So you need to visit simply cloudpanel.io doc v2. Here you can see get started order, and a lot of DigitalOcean, Amazon Web Services, 𝐂𝐳𝐧𝐬, Hostinger, Google, Microsoft Azure, Oracle, Volta. So for the DigitalOcean, I'll suggest you to use this others folder. And here you can see, first of all, we need to update our installer. Here you can see this is the command. Simply paste here and press enter. And here you can see working 0%. Now it depends upon your luck and time and your reason. Now simply click drop down arrow and choose untitled upgrade services and click on enter. And here you can see we had successfully upgraded, and here you can see our detail, final detail: 0 upgraded, 0 newly installed, and 0 to remove, and 0 upgraded. Now again go to CloudPanel doc file, and here you can see we installed Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, I guess. So let's use this one, this prompt. Simply copy full with curl, and again go to web console and simply paste here by mouse right click and then paste and press enter. Here you can see progress 55%. So let's wait few moments and I'll show you how you can connect with. Simply copy, go to your droplet URL, and here you can see public IP. Simply copy this, go to Google, paste here your IP address, then 8443. Simply type this. Now here you can see the site can't be reached because CloudPanel is not installed, still 66%. But after installation of CloudPanel, the URL will work. So now let's wait. I will also create how to install CloudPanel, CyberPanel, how to add domain with Cloudflare. So please visit my YouTube channel homepage. You will find another videos also. And now here you can see a final. The installation of CloudPanel is completed. CloudPanel can be accessed now. So you can simply copy this URL also, and this URL and our URL is same. Let's refresh the old URL. Now let's paste the URL which is given by in the terminal. The actual issue is almost same, 143.244.143. You can see same URL, same IP address, 244.178. but this is not opening, but the another is opening. So don't worry, your connection is not private, just ignore this. Simply click on this advanced button, and you can see proceed to unsafe. Click on this, and here you can see admin user creation. Now we need to create user. Type here your name. Simply type first name, last name, username, email address, password, and time zone. You can edit any time zone according to your country, residential. So I will select random and click on this create user. Now here you can see username and password, and actually I forgot the username. Let's try. Type your username and password, click on this login. Oh, thank God. Now here you can see CloudPanel is installed successfully in our Droplet DigitalOcean, and this is the admin area. And here you can see event instance, backup, security, setting. A lot of options are available. You can add another user also from here. And our Droplet details, IP address, operating system, and host name, CPU, memory. Here you can see these are the details. Now let's back to the site and add a site. And here you can see a lot of options: create website site, WordPress site, create PHP site, create Node.js site, static HTML or Python or reverse proxy. So if you want to create WordPress site, then simply click on this create WordPress site, and here you can see add a domain, site title, site username, admin user, and email address. Then click on this create. You can easily install WordPress site, but the main issue is you can't create email address. Same as Node.js site, static or PHP site or Python site. Here you can see domain, Node.js version, which version you want to install. And for static, simply domain name, site user, PHP, static, generic. Here you can see a lot of option. Domain and which PHP version you want to install on your PHP site. Then Python. Here you can see Python 3.10 and new reverse proxy. Here you can see. Now let's try to add WordPress site. Install WordPress on our domain. Now this is my domain. Here you can see vivasmalik.dev. I already created a video about how to get domain in a free, so I think you missed that opportunity. Click on domain, site user, admin 2, and let's save these 2 password. Now admin email address. Now click on this create. Here you can see creating 10%, 15%. And now here you can see the details about our WordPress site, which is just created. Now our site is added. Now click on this manage button. And here you can see a lot of options. You can also change PHP version from here, but your site must be new. Vhost option, database, SSL. You can manage SSL by here, or if you want to use Cloudflare, here you can see. And the most important, file manager. This is the important. So this is the detail about our WordPress site created. Now we need to update our DNS in our domain registrar. I bought a domain from name.com. So here you can see vivasmalik.dev. So simply don't go to manage name server. Simply manage DNS record. We need to update DNS record, and we need to add minimum 2 record. Here you can see one A record and another C name. Simply here you can see type. We need to select if you bought domain from any registrar, don't worry. There you can see the option a record. Simply type a, and in a host type @ and in a another section simply type your public IP address, which is given by, here you can see public IP address, our public IP address, our CloudPanel URL, and ignore 8443. Just copy this URL and click on this add record. Then same another add cname, and in a host simply type www, and in a answer, in name.com it shows answer, but maybe in your register it shows another name, so don't worry about that. Simply type your domain name and then click on add record and save. After save, simply go to your website URL. Here you can see this is my website URL. Let's visit the URL, the WordPress is installed or not, and here you can see WordPress is installed. Let's try login WP admin, and here you can see username password. Let's copy from here username admin, then the password, and now you can see the WP admin dashboard. So today we learn about how to install CloudPanel on DigitalOcean and install WordPress. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐡 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpoolstar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.